For this delicious recipe you'll need about 800 grams of diced beef, 3 or 4 onions chopped, a couple of tomatoes chopped, or a tin if you're lazy like me, about 4 cloves of garlic peeled and chopped, or crushed if you like, 4 cloves, a sprig of rosemary or half a teaspoon of dried, 4 bay leaves, a vegetable stock cube or stock pot, some olive oil, a glass of red wine, 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, a stick of cinnamon, 2 tablespoons of tomato puree, half a teaspoon of nutmeg, and salt and black pepper. Get your pan hot, add some oil and then your onions. Fry until they're starting to sizzle, then cover and turn down the heat. It usually takes about 5 or 10 minutes for the onions to soften. Now put the onions to one side, whack up the heat and sear the meat in batches. It's a good idea to dry the meat first, and you might need to add a bit of oil. Return all the meat to the pan, add the onions and the garlic and stir. Add the wine and wine vinegar, stir again and cover and leave for about 5 minutes. Now add the cinnamon stock cube, cloves, nutmeg, bay leaves, rosemary, tomato puree and the seasoning. Give it a good stir, then add the tomatoes, stir them as well, and then you're done. Transfer everything to your oven dish and add some water. If you can do this over a low heat, it'll stop everything getting cool. Heat the oven to gas mark 4 and pop it in. It'll take at least 2 hours till the meat is tender, but you need to check from time to time to make sure you end up with something that's not too dry and not too wet. You're aiming for a lovely thick rich sauce. We like to serve it as a tapas dish with spanakopita, salad, spicy potato wedges and possibly a risotto. But you can serve it how you like.